Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around, and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walk.
Guys, today we're gonna do squishy collectors, and it's Christmas Eve, so yay! Yeah,
Let's go.
yeah, let's go. So today I'm gonna show you my squishy collection. So I know I don't have that many squishies, so we're gonna start with the more common ones. So this is a really cute. Like, I'm not sure if this is actually common. Like, I haven't saw it in a lot of stores, a lot of the shops. I'm sorry, like, I don't know. I just got it from, like, I don't know where I got it from, because I just found it like in my sister's room, and she said I can keep it. So yeah. So I got this. I'm pretty sure this was like, I'm pretty sure this was actually like this is actually a really good squishy actually, but like I'm not sure is this actually a good squishy, because I'm not sure how to squishy really. Like, I don't know, not sure, but it has a weird scent, but I kind of like it. I think it's scented like apples, but chemical apple. I don't know. I really don't know what scent is it. This might be the best scent ever, because I never tried like a scented squishy. So like I think it's a good scented squishy. And I don't know. So now I have the most rare squishy, and I'm pretty sure this is Billy the Whale. Cause yeah, I'm pretty really sure, because this is Billy the Whale. Cause I really think I like the squish just more harder. Like, I think you're supposed to squish squishes like this and not like this, but like, I don't know. I might be wrong. Like, I don't really know. So it has this really cute heart.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you my squishy collection. So I have this diamond squishy, and it's so nice. I know there's only common squishy. It's very common, but I really like it. In my heart, it's very rare. So it's super nice. And I also have this one. I saw this in like every shop I go to, so it's really common, but I really like it. I know it's not licensed, but if you look really carefully, it says I Bloom. So yeah. And then I have this one. It's so cute. I saw this in like a really popular girls like video, so I think it's very rare. But I know it's common, but it doesn't matter to me. And then I have this one. I kind of had this for the longest time. I think this was my first squishy, and it also says YOLO. And this one you can find like on eBay, on Amazon, in like any shop you go to, honestly. And it's really slow rising. So, bye guys!
So I don't have that many squishies, but I just have like rare ones. So if you never heard of them, it's just because they're really rare and they're not selling them anymore. But like, yeah. So I have this pineapple. I don't know. I forgot the brand really. I think it was I Bloom, but it's not the new or the like another kind of old one. It's like a really old one. Like, this was one of the first ones, and I really love it. It's not as slow rising, but it's like, it's still really like rare. So like, I love it. So we have this. This was the first ever soft and slow. I don't know what this is really, but yeah, I keep my squishies with no defects, and I'm just doing this for you guys because I don't really want to like, I don't want to defect them, so this is why I never play with them. So yeah, it doesn't have any defects, how you can see. I have this. This is like, this is the most rare ones. Like, look, I'm just gonna squish this for you guys. For you, I really don't want to squish that. Just gonna squish this. Okay. See? Oh gosh. Look, just see. And here, and here, and the purple. That's all I'm gonna squish for you because I really don't want to break this because this is one of my rarest squishes.
So today I'm going to show you all my squishies. Well, technically all my decorated squishies because that's all I own, honestly. So every time I buy squishies, like they're really cheap. Like I buy them just off eBay because it's so cheap. And I just redecorate them because I feel like it. And some of these are not done, so please don't go at me about that. Okay. So first thing, I have this one. It's so cute. Look at that cute face. Like, so lush. So I give it a squish. So I only redecorated the bun and this, and I also did these, but you can't really see that it's paint, but it is, and it's not really done. I'm going to go over it a little bit, but yeah, that's my first one. And then I also have this one, which I decorated a makeup sponge, and it's so cute. I know it's not that surprising, but I love it. And yeah, next one is this one. It used to be like a Cafe Dien one. I bought a really expensive one. My dad thought I really liked expensive ones, but I don't. So I just repainted it anyway. Even though he spent his money on me, I don't really care. It's really nice. Next one is this poop. I don't really know what I was trying to do, but I did something, so it's very cute. And then I have these two brothers and sisters turtles. So this one's more of a Christmas one. It's like a peppermint thingy-majig. I forgot what they're called. And I tried to do that. And then here it's just like turquoise because, you know, that's like my favorite color. And then brown. So yeah. Oh. And then this is my first ever one. It's it was supposed to be like a watermelon one, but I just went for crazy. So it's really nice. Yeah. And also I have this like toast one. I tried to make Nutella, but it didn't really work out. I'll see what I'm gonna do with it. And it's also like bitten. I don't remember that. Anyway, bye.
Yes. Yay.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna squish some squishies for you today and show you some of my squishies. So here's this one. It's so squishy. so stress relieving. Oh my god. Oh, I love it so. Ow, that kind of actually hurt. Anyway, I also, that's my sister. Okay.
Yeah.
To have this one, it's so.
I want to see the video too.
It's so nice. Yeah, so stress relieving. Am I right?
This is how you. No, this is how you squish a squishy. You know that.
I wasn't right. Like this.
No, you do it.
So stress relieving. This one's kind of small. I don't like it. Ow! Why does it always land on my head? Okay. Bye, people. Bye, guys. Have a Merry Christmas and a Pringly Christmas.
A Pringly Christmas.